When a minor commits a crime, the legal process is very different from that of an adult. Indian law recognizes that children may not fully understand the consequences of their actions. Therefore, such cases are governed by the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. A minor is any person below 18 years of age. When a child is accused of committing an offense, the police must follow special procedures. The child cannot be handcuffed or treated like an adult criminal. They cannot be kept in a regular police lockup. Instead, they are placed in an observation home where safety and supervision are ensured. The police must produce the child before the Juvenile Justice Board within 24 hours. The board examines the case and determines the category of offense. Offenses are classified as petty, serious, or heinous. For petty and serious offenses, the focus remains on reform and rehabilitation. The child may be released on bail, placed under supervision of parents or guardians, or directed to attend counseling and community service. A social investigation report may be prepared to understand the child's background, family environment, and circumstances. The aim is to address the root causes of the behavior. However, if the offense is classified as heinous and committed by a child aged between 16 and 18 years, the board conducts a preliminary assessment. The board evaluates the child's mental and physical capacity to commit the offense and understand its consequences. If necessary, the case may be transferred to a children's court. Even in such cases, sentencing must consider reformative principles. A minor cannot be sentenced to death penalty. Life imprisonment without the possibility of release is also prohibited. Rehabilitation measures may include education, vocational training, psychological counseling, and skill development. Aftercare programs help reintegrate the child into society after completion of supervision. The goal is not lifelong punishment, but responsible reintegration. Juvenile justice balances accountability with compassion. Society benefits when young individuals are corrected rather than permanently branded as criminals. Understanding this process helps citizens appreciate the importance of reformative justice. Children must be guided toward responsibility while being given a fair chance to rebuild their future. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.